Welcome G-Tex Designs. In this episode, we will be building part 3-07, the boiler mounting bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-07, the boiler mounting bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Saved up, not 70, sorry, template MMGS. Okay, let's go on the top plane, sketch. We're going to do do that one. Do that. It's going to be smart dimension. That's going to be C9.5, and that's going to be C2, and we're going to do a arch from there. I want to go the other way. Okay, cancel that. Let's do that again. Well, that one, so go to this point here first. First time I use this. That point there, then go that way. There's that one, but that's going to be a radius of 127. So smart dimension. 127. Beautiful. That's good. Bring that in there a bit. There we go. Now we want trim, that one there, which will trim that. Beautiful. And that is going to be 5mm thick. Actually, hold on, before we do it, there's two circles. We can do that as well. So 16 by 16, but the circle is 8. So let's do that circle. Just put it there. Click outside, unhighlight that one. We want that point will be vertical. We want smart dimension. That's going to be 16, wasn't it? Yep, 16. 16. Oop. Let's click on that one, drag it in. Ooh, why'd that move? Something broke on that when I did the cut. So let me just put that one. Oh, 9.75. Yeah, that's right. Okay, there we go. That's locked it back in. So now it won't move. Excellent. So let's just get a sketch, move that up, so okay, nothing moves now. So yeah, so taking that line out breaks. It's like break the set, if you like, the locked in, but putting that measurement in, fix that up. Excellent. Hold on. Oh, hold on. That should be 8. Sorry, that should be 8. And this one here, I didn't have moved after all. 16. That's better. So that's 16. Yep, that's 16 there. We're going to have a raise 8 there, but I'll use the chamfer on that. So that's good. So this goes through those 5. Yep, 5mm. Mid plane. And done. Oh, because you got that hole there and that hole there. Select one's plane. What's that not selecting? What? Select the solid surface body to complete. Maybe that. Okay. Oh, sorry, mid-plane. I didn't realize I clicked on up to body by mistake. Mid-plane is what I wanted. 5 mil and done. There we go. Oop. Where's the holes going? Hold on. Sketch. No. That one. Where did the holes go in? Oh, I never. Okay, let me get out of that. Let me do that one. The holes are 8 mil. Well, that should still work though. Okay. That's a sketch. Okay, why is that didn't work? Do that again. And why looks so big? Hold on, something's not right. Those holes are too big. Sketch. 39.5. 16. 8. Oh, I looked at. I'm an idiot. I looked at wrong. Okay, let me just delete that one. Let me delete that one. This wasn't. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there. Delete that one. This should be 50, not 32. Sorry, I looked at the measurements wrong. Okay, that's looking better. Bring that one down. Smart dimension from the center point to that one is 16. Center point to that one. Been a long day at work. I'm tired. So, okay, that's done. So now we go feature, extrude, mid-plane. Okay, there we go. That's better. That's better. Okay, go back onto this one and normalize and sketch. So we want this curve here again, which will do this one to that one to that one. There we go, it's locked in. We're going to do another one from there to there to there. Now, these two should be what's that? Make concurrent, concentric, which makes it parallel in a sense, but parallel straight lines. So let's see, before we forget, well, that line, beautiful. That line to that line, that should lock it in, beautiful. But we need a measurement which is 5 mil from there to there, 5 mil, beautiful. And that's going to be a height of 20 mil. Looking good, yep, looking good. That's going to be a height of, leave that blind, 20 mil. And okay. There we go. Looking good. Still got to do these corners, but we've got to do these corners too. And they look like the same. Doesn't have a measurement on this curve, but there is a curve there. So let's go to fillet. It's going to be 8 mil. Yep. One there, one there, one there, and one there, and done. There we go. That should be done. Actually, there's a slight curve in here. Let's do another one, but let's do that 2 mil, see how it looks. Right there. And there. Yeah, looks good. That looks good, yep. Okay, that should be done. 25, 16, 5 and 5. Yep, okay, let's add some color to that. With paint, appearance, Metal. Where's metal gone? Up there. Let's do the bronze. Bronze brushed. Bronze brushed. Oh, that's how to say it should have been. Okay. So that's part 3-07 boiler mounting bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed the episode? Click the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Leave comments. Always happy to hear from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.